Adding polynomials. When adding polynomials, there are a few things that you need to keep in mind. First thing is that keep the same base. So if the base is x, you keep it as x. If the base is y, you keep it as y. The second thing you need to keep in mind is the exponent stays the same. So keep the same exponent. So if the exponent is 2, it stays 2. Obviously, it needs to be x squared. So x squared and x squared, you leave it the same. Okay? What you need to do is combine like terms by adding or subtracting the coefficients. Okay, so what are coefficients? Well, coefficients are, or is, the number in front of the variable. Okay, so let's take an example. An example would be 3x cubed plus 4x squared plus 1. And we're going to add that to 2x squared plus 10. So we need to find our like terms. So the bases are the same and the exponents are the same. So 3x cubed is on its own because there is no other x cubed that we can combine it with. Next we have a positive 4x squared. We see here that we also have a 2x squared. We can combine those. 4 plus 2 is 6, so it's positive 6x squared. And lastly, we have our constants. We have a 1 and a 10. 1 plus 10 is 11. So that is our answer. Another example would be 9x to the 5th minus 7x cubed plus x plus 6x to the 4th plus 9x cubed. So we need to combine our like terms again. Our first term is 9x to the 5th. Do we have anything to combine that with? No, we don't. So we write it as part of our answer. Our next term that we're going to work with is negative 7x cubed. Do we have another x cubed that we combine that with? Yes, we do. We have a positive 9x cubed. Negative 7 plus 9 is 2. So we have 2x cubed. Our next number that we have, or term, is x. X is by itself. There's nothing we can combine it with, so we just rewrite x. And last we have 6x to the 4th. We cannot combine that with anything either. Now before jumping to the conclusion that is our answer, it is not. Polynomials have a standard form. The standard form requires you to write the answer in descending exponential form. So we start with the highest exponent first, and then we move on to the second highest exponent, which is 6x to the fourth. And then we move on to 2x to the third plus x. So notice polynomial standard form. Rewrite the polynomial with the highest exponent first in descending order. The lowest exponent is last. And that is how we add polynomials.